right, just a chef and a miner. A chef. Okay. You want to hear a joke? A chef and a miner walk into a bar. The cops are called. Pedophilia. Okay, AJ. Here's what I want you to do. Use your primary, and then use your special, and then use your primary.
What the fuck?
Holy shit.
There's already an overloading elite. What the fuck?
Well, yeah, it's a beetle. You're afraid of beetle? Hey, there's sprint speed. I can already tell. You love Chef. Also, if you didn't know, your ability to oils people, if you use your flame ability right after, then you are golden. They'll do like the extra damage or whatever. There we go. How much money does this thing cost? Alright, I'm a melee. I'm a melee survivor that isn't crappy like Merc.
Wait, it drops fire bombs everywhere if I overload my fire ability?
Oh, that. Sure, I guess.
Put it into my grease?
So the thing that adds the grease oil thing is a thing that involves the flame thing. So you use that oil thing first. Let's go. Wow. Also, we still need to try and unlock Enfosa.
That's entirely based upon RNG.
When has RNG ever been unlucky to us? Says the man with his pants down. There's some bustling fungus over here if you want it. It pairs nicely with your bustling fungus. Okay, motherfucker. I've never been a melee fan because then you gotta run up to the enemies and then... Yeah, okay, yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. You spread the oil and then you light it on fire.
Spread the love around, yeah.
Yeah, nothing like some good old home cooking. Chef is just a smarter multi. And how am I supposed to deal with... Damn, I hate air injury so much. It's unfair. Because things aren't working out for your boy. Like, at all. Ah, damn, quit falling the fuck off the map. Heal? Let's go. I'm starting to get the hang of, Mina.
What does he do? Does he get any money bonuses?
Yeah, more attack speed and movement speed with more money. Indeed. Why is my cat... Huh? What's wrong with you, boy? Alright, you ready?
Sure, yeah, it's not like there's already an armada of enemies after
Well, Ron, we've already spent like 10 minutes on the stage, so...
Yeah, I was trying to say let's leave it 4 minutes.
Well, why didn't we leave earlier?
Well, we gotta get
She
checked.
said something. How many Shrine in the Mountains did we hit?
A few.
I always like to hear that. The more, the better. Okay, what the fuck keeps hitting? There's a couple of flaming flying dudes, and that is unsettling.
I need Igniter.
Oh, dude, Ignite? Holy shit. That wasn't in the game when they added this character as a mod. This mod's older than that. They didn't realize what was gonna come. What do we get? What do we get?
Oh my god. Death Mark and a Planula, I think.
Yeah, that's a Planula. Take it.
Okay.
I kid, that's definitely not a Planula and it sucks.
Flaming Blind Pest.
And there's a Lunacone.
Oh, it's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me. I gotta run. Gotta run.
Where are you?
I need bonuses. The flying enemies. Fucking burning flying enemies.
Okay, one of them's dead. Or a couple of them are dead. I just need a way to get up there. Burning flying guy is about to be dead. I just don't know this moveset very well, so I kind of... There we go. Flying burning dude.
Alright.
I'm dead.
Where?
That one right in front of you. That jump pad. And this floor up here. There might be stuff up here, there might not be, but this is how you get to the...
I hear a clay Templar.
That's not a clay Templar. Or is that a clay? No, I think that's like something. Clay Templar's got miniguns. Hey, he's dead. No, he's not. Not even close. Hey, you got healing. Okay.
Things aren't going very well. They corrupted my my friend.
That's good.
No,
all void items you have are good. I need to help you get. Oh, I see what you mean when you say you corrupt your friend. Ah, I thought you meant like your teddy bear. I was like, what? Nah.
Oh, my friend.
Yeah. Okay. So he's your friend and I'm not. Wow. Or at least I don't kill you or try to kill you.
Yeah, this isn't looking great.
I mean, maybe I do.
I instantly died for something.
Yeah, well, you faced off against what? Your own beetle god killed you.